In this video, you will be able to learn ways to focus on your goals. Welcome to our channel. Watch the full video for knowing the maximum ways of focusing. Also subscribe to this channel. 1. Set clear and specific goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve and make your goals specific and measurable. 2. Prioritize. Determine which goals are most important and focus your energy on those first. 3. Create a plan. Develop a step-by-step plan that outlines how you will achieve your goals. 4. Break it down. Divide your goals into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 5. Eliminate distractions. Identify and remove any distractions that might hinder your focus, such as social media or unnecessary notifications. 6. Set deadlines. Establish realistic deadlines for each task or milestone to keep yourself motivated and on track. 7. Practice time management. Efficiently allocate your time by using techniques like the Pomodoro technique or creating a schedule. 8. Visualize success. Imagine yourself accomplishing your goals and experiencing the rewards it will bring. 9. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset and believe in your ability to achieve your goals. 10. Find accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust and ask them to hold you accountable. 11. Seek support. Surround yourself with individuals who support and encourage your aspirations. 12. Stay healthy. Take care of your physical and mental well-being through exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques. 13. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and focused on the task at hand, avoiding thoughts or worries about the past or future. 14. Avoid multitasking. Concentrate on one task at a time to improve efficiency and reduce mental clutter. 15. Learn from failure. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than letting it discourage you. 16. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way to maintain motivation and momentum. 17. Take breaks. Allow yourself short breaks to rest and recharge, helping you maintain focus over long periods. 18. Stay organized. Keep your workspace and materials organized to minimize distractions and increase productivity. 19. Continuously learn. Seek out new knowledge and skills related to your goals, fostering personal and professional growth. 20. Stay committed. Remind yourself of your goals regularly and stay committed, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Thanks for watching. Like this video and comment us next topic for video.